It is like a $50 lip balm. All of these are empties, so I'm going to be going through everything, telling you guys what I will be repurchasing, what I won't be, what I like, what I don't like. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Makeup Monday. I am here with a product empties. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time now. I have accumulated so many empty products and I wanted to go over today what I will be repurchasing, what I won't be, and I'm gonna have my coffee right now in my new mommy mug, which I love. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited and ready for this video because there's a lot to talk about and I cannot wait. So, if you guys have not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel now for Makeup Monday, Fashion Friday videos, and also turn on that notification bell. If you guys have not subscribed over on my vlog channel, make sure to subscribe now on my family and lifestyle channel. And I am so excited, I cannot wait to do this video, so we are going to roll right in, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with all of my skincare, which I actually have right here. And this all came from my washroom. I have everything on my vanity right now, and all of these are empties. So I'm gonna be going through everything, telling you guys what I will be repurchasing, what I won't be, what I like, what I don't like, and go through everything with you. I wanted to show you guys this first because this is my all-time favorite moisturizer. If you have not tried this, definitely go to Sephora and check it out. It is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. I talk about this all the time on my Instagram, and it's made such a difference in the texture of my skin. I think this is like the 10th bottle I've bought. So I did want to show you guys that one first just because it is like my holy grail moisturizer. I love it so much. And for me, I actually have combination skin. I am drier on the outer parts of my skin, and then my T-zone is oily. So it's really hard for me to find a moisturizer that really gives my skin a balance and works well, doesn't break me out, isn't too heavy. And this cream is just the best of like everything for my skin that my skin needs. So I just have been really enjoying it. I've, like I said, been using it since I want to say before maybe March, April is when I started using it. I've been using it every single day, morning and night, and it has been seriously changing my skin. And I love it so much, and I think it's so affordable. I believe this bottle's around $60, so it's a really nice affordable moisturizer compared to if you're buying like La Mer or super luxurious creams. This definitely works. Okay, so the next product I have here is actually another one that I did really enjoy. It's also by Fresh, and this is the Black Tea Firming Eye Serum. It strengthens and illuminates. I definitely noticed a difference underneath my eyes, so dark circles, wrinkles, fine lines, definitely helps the appearance. And also it does really, really illuminate underneath the eyes. My eyes got really bright after using this, and I think this is my second bottle, so I really have been loving it. And it's hard for me to find an eye serum that works really well because they're expensive. They're really expensive, and of course it's good to go in with an eye serum and an eye cream. So I use both, but this is definitely worth the money. This is $90, but I think it is one of the best skin products I have ever used, and I still have been using it, so I have to get another bottle. I just ran out actually, so it's been really working. Okay, so next product I have here is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Serum. This I wasn't crazy about. I definitely like the cream more than the serum, and it has a nice scent to it too. It has that rose scent. I really like it. Light textured, it's not like a heavy serum, and I don't know, like there are other serums where I feel like it's made a little bit of a difference in the texture of my skin. I didn't really see much of a difference with this. It wouldn't be like a serum where I was like, oh my god, I see major results. It was just kind of meh, in my opinion. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to be repurchasing this, but it was a nice serum. And like I said, my skin has been really nice lately, and I've been trying to step up my skincare game. So I don't think I'll be repurchasing it. I might try to find another one. If you have any recommendations on serums, let me know in the comments. And yeah, next product I have right here. This is actually one I've been buying, I want to say, since I was in high school. This is Clinique Take Off the Day Makeup Remover. You guys, this is amazing for your lids. I take off all of my mascara, my eyeliner with this stuff in one swipe. So it's awesome. Like, I love this. I've probably gone through a million bottles, and I will keep repurchasing this because it works so well. And I put it on my lips too to get my lipstick off. So highly recommend this if you have not tried it. It also comes in the travel size, so when I'm traveling, I just bring like the little bottle. But yeah, this is a must. Next product I have here is actually a luxury product. This is Charlotte Tilbury, and this is her Magic Away moisturizer. So I actually bought this, and I also bought the eye cream together. So this one right here is the eye cream. I didn't actually finish these. I almost did until I moved on to Fresh, but I wasn't in love with them. It has a very strong sunscreen smell that I cannot stand, and it was just really bothering me, and it's also very thick. I was really surprised because I think it was her mask. I tried one of her skincare products that I fell in love with, so I thought I would try the entire line, the moisturizer, the eye serum, and the eye cream, and it just was not for me. So I would not repurchase this cream, too heavy. And then the eye cream, this actually, I must be allergic to something in this because it actually gave me little bumps underneath my eye, and it hurt. It like stung when I put it on, so I hardly even use this. I might, I don't know, I might try to give it to someone, but I'm assuming allergic to it. I'm not sure, but I've never reacted to an eye cream that way before, so just stand away from that. And next product I have here is actually one I love and I would rebuy over and over again. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And not only was it like the cutest moisturizer ever, like it has a little pink lid, it's in a glass bottle, it is just like the perfect piece of decor on your vanity. It actually is a really nice hydrating moisturizer. And I actually like the face mask more than I like the moisturizer. I use it all the time, about once to twice a week, and it just leaves your skin looking so smooth. You wake up and your skin honestly is like smooth like butter. It is so nice and hydrating, nourishing, and just so amazing for the skin, you guys. So if you haven't tried Glow Recipe, definitely check them out. I also think they have such a playful looking line. I know that green avocado, I think it's a face serum that just came out. I want to try that. I've not tried that yet. So another empty I have, little baby version. I told you I go through these like crazy. And look at this. This is funny. I have 2 bottles of the rose face cream. That's how much I've been loving it. I'm about to get my 3rd. And okay, so this right here is the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and I remember I mentioned this in one of my videos and people were saying how expensive this cream is and it's not worth it. I definitely think it's a luxury buy for sure. It's like, I think $60 for the big one. I honestly am just fine with buying a $20 moisturizer, and I bought 2. So this is the small one and then the big one. So I believe the small one is like $25–30, large one is like $60. I honestly love the Bath & Body Works. I think they're around like $15, and you can even get them on sale. So I probably will go back to that because I want to do a Bath & Body Works haul. Let me know if you want to see that on this channel. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know. I need to do like a candle haul. I need to get some like fall scents in here, and it has a nice scent to it, but I think it is expensive for what you're getting, and it's not like crazy amazing. I didn't see like huge results in my skin. I wasn't like, oh my god, my skin is like butter, like super soft, luxurious. I didn't have that feeling, but it is a nice cream. Okay, so next product I have here is actually another one of my favorites, and this is a product I've been using for the past year, and I have rebought it a lot. So when you know I've repurchased something, you know I absolutely love it. And I've showed this a ton in my videos, in my skincare routine. I've talked about it lots. This is the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, and it is an exfoliator but also a cleanser. So I really like 2-in-1s. I don't want to have to use a makeup remover, a balm, and then go in with a cleanser. And even though I need that much, you know, I really need a deep cleanse, and my pores are big. I really have to, you know, cleanse the skin because I wear a lot of makeup sometimes, especially for videos when I'm filming. So to get that foundation off and everything, it takes everything off except for my eye makeup, which I go in with the Clinique eye makeup remover, and also for my lips. And I find it's really hard for me to fall in love with a cleanser, but with this one here, I have repurchased this so many times. I actually liked it over the camellia oil that they came out with, and once this launched, I kept repurchasing it, and I love it even more. I find the camellia, it removed all my makeup, but I didn't feel like I was getting that cleanse that I needed. And like I said, my T-zone is oily, so I need something that will really clean my skin. So deep cleanse makes sense. Okay, so the last skincare item I have is the Rose Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. So this is by Fresh, and I bought this, I think, when I got the serum. yeah, and I didn't fall in love with this. I didn't think it was that great. I didn't see that much of a difference underneath my eyes. If I really saw a difference, then I would probably repurchase it, but I didn't. And I would say that the black tea firming eye serum, I definitely saw a difference with this. So I would repurchase this over the eye cream. And I definitely like a light textured cream. I don't want it to be super heavy underneath my eyes, but I definitely want one that works well, and that I found was okay. I think it's $42 for that, so it wasn't like a very expensive eye cream, and I'm still looking for one. So if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below on an eye cream that has worked for you. And yeah, that would have to be a no for me. Okay, so now we are moving on to some makeup that I have. So I have a few things right here that I have gone through. A little sip of my coffee. So first makeup item I have right here, this is actually the Better Than Sex mascara. I talk about this all the time. It's an awesome mascara, volume, lengthening, and it's a really, really nice like full volume. So I'm wearing it right now. I have like 3 of them in my drawer because Too Faced actually sent me some in PR, which was awesome, but I have repurchased this many times. And this, I usually run out of mascara first. And this does not last me long. So it is amazing though. It definitely is one of the nicest mascaras I've ever used. If you're looking for like really dramatic eyelashes, but not like having to wear false lashes, then definitely invest in one of these. Okay, so the next one here is also a mascara. I wasn't gonna share this, but I thought I would because I loved it so much. And I just don't know if this brand, is it C8? It's called Wonderland Mascara. I got this in my Ipsy bag. I'm pretty sure they're at Sephora, but I didn't want to show it and like not know where you can buy it. So I think they are, but I'll put their website down below. But I loved this mascara. It was so volumizing, so lengthening, and then also it was great for underneath the eyes. I find I have a hard time, like that other mascara I use, the Better Than Sex, does not work underneath the eyes. It gets clumpy. This one's really nice at separating your lashes and lengthening. So I was really surprised on how amazing this mascara was. I would totally repurchase that. So next makeup product I have right here is the Better Than Sex. This is the Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I loved this. I thought this was awesome, and I'm out of it now, and it dries up at the end obviously after you've used it all out, but it is really, really flexible. It's super easy to like glide on, and if you're doing like a cat eyeliner or anything like that, it's really easy to get that winged look. So I definitely like this. I think it's awesome. If I were to get a drugstore one, I would have gone with this one, which of course the logo has come off. So I think it is by L'Oreal though. It's like the curved one. It's called Curved Eyeliner. Might be Maybelline. I'm not sure, but it also is a really, really nice eyeliner in its drugstore. So it's not finished yet. I have it on today, but it is also a really nice eyeliner, and I've had a lot of coffee today, so I'm mumbling a little bit, but yeah, I feel like I have so many empties right now. This was perfect, honestly, because I collected so many things to do this video, and it's so nice to see what products someone has been loving and what they would rebuy or what they wouldn't rebuy. So I really like watching these videos, and I'm surprised I've never put one up on my channel before. This is the first time ever. But the next product I have right here is a 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. This is also one of my holy grail products, and I'm out of it right now. I got this in the Desi Perkins set, so I'm wearing it in my brows right now because my brow hairs love to go down. They don't like to stay into place. They like to go down. So I definitely need this, and they hold, like, your brows will not be moving. And I actually have to go in and I have to use this to remove it out of my brows. That's how much it stays in, and it really sets your brows. So if you have brow hairs like me, or you want the color to stay in all day, then definitely try the brow setter. This stuff is awesome, and hopefully it comes in rose gold in the actual one. I didn't know if that was just for like the Desi Perkins set that she launched, but really pretty packaging. Okay, so I'm on to my last few things right here. I did want to mention this though because it's almost empty, and it is the Born This Way concealer. You can see it's getting dried up there. I have like used it all out. I have replaced it though, and I know I talked about this because I was using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away concealer. That is an expensive concealer, but I bought this when I was doing my drugstore haul. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. I love this. Like, I'm wearing it right now. It is probably one of the best concealers I've ever used. It is full coverage. I use my beauty sponge underneath my eyes. I also take it down the nose and wherever else I need to conceal if I have like pimples. But it is magic. And this is like, I think, a $10 concealer, and I was shocked on how much I liked this. I think that Born This Way is a little bit too heavy underneath my eyes, and I know it's a full coverage concealer and it's a beautiful coverage, full coverage concealer, but I just don't like that feel. I don't like that texture. And if it feels heavier than my, you know, my foundation, I'm not for it. So it's not something I would repurchase. I didn't like it as much as I like this concealer right here. This is honestly my best friend right now, you guys, and I love it. By the way, I almost forgot to say, I am the 350 Bis, so it is a little bit of a lighter shade, but I usually like to go a little bit lighter underneath the eyes just so it's a little bit more bright. But they have like a huge shade range. I remember when I was doing my drugstore video, they had like a million different shades to choose from. All right, so we are on the last product empty. I'm sure I have some other ones somewhere, but these are the ones that I've collected that I really wanted to talk about in today's video. Wow, I really can't talk today. Maybe I won't have 3 coffees before I film next time. But this one here is the Pat McGrath lip balm. I know I've mentioned this in other videos. It is like a $50 lip balm, expensive but luxurious. It's a really heavy, beautiful lip balm that you can put on your vanity. So it definitely was nice to buy, and I really liked it. Like when I pulled it out, I felt really nice applying it. And do I think there are better ones? I do. Like, I definitely love, there's one I'm using right now, the Fresh, or is it Advanced Lip Care? It's the Fresh one though, and it's awesome. Like, I feel like I've been really obsessed with Fresh skincare, and this is not sponsored. I have never talked to the brand before, and I just love their products. I'm not even joking. Like, they have some of the best products, and I feel like whenever I'm in Sephora, I'll go up to other skincare brands to try it out, and then I always go back to Fresh. And I'm just being honest, like, it's really worked for my skin, so I'm really happy about that because I've had a long journey with my skin. So I don't think I'll be repurchasing this, but it is nice to try, like if you just want to try like a luxurious lip balm, and it definitely has beautiful packaging. And of course I can't throw this away. Even though it's a product empty, I have it out for display. It's too beautiful. The very last product I was going to show you is the Peach Mist by Too Faced that I talk about all the time that sets my makeup. I think I actually threw it out, so I can't show you, but this is the spray I use every single day to set my makeup, and it is a holy grail. I've been out of it, I think, for the last 2 weeks now, so I need to go to Sephora and get it because you can already tell my skin is getting a little bit oily. So if you spray this after you apply your makeup will not move. I wore this on my wedding day. My makeup did not move in like 40-degree weather. So I'm not even joking when I say it works. You definitely have to try it. They have it in the baby size. I think it's like $20, and then the large size, which I'm just gonna get the large one because I know it works really well. The other one I do like by Too Faced is the Hangover 3-in-1, but I don't think it works as well. This is more of like a hydrating. The other one is to mattify your skin, so that is what I need because my skin gets oily. This is also a nice spray though. If you're looking for like a hydrating mist, then go with that one. If you want to set your makeup, also mattify the skin, then definitely go with the Peach Mist. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching today's empties video. If you want to see more of these, definitely let me know because I have been keeping these in my washroom for the longest time now just so I could do this video and share with you what I enjoyed and what I didn't like. So I hope you liked watching this. I always love watching these, and I usually purchase some of the stuff that they talk about because I just love when people really can rave about a product and it's been working for them, and it just gets me to wanting to try new products. So I still love trying new products, and don't get me wrong, I definitely do play with a lot of new skincare, new makeup, but when something works, I definitely will repurchase it. And yeah, there were products today that I talked about that I have been absolutely loving. So I will link everything down in the description bar for you. And I hope you guys can play around, try some new products. If there's anything I'm missing out on, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you guys are not yet following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go follow me now. And then also subscribe to my channel if you guys have not yet subscribed. Head on over to the vlog channel because I have family videos on there. And I hope you guys have an awesome week. And of course, I will see you guys on Fashion Friday.